Hello students, welcome back. In this video we will solve question number 18 from the Karnataka SSLC model question paper 2026. This question is from pair of linear equation in two variables and it is a high scoring board exam question. Let's solve it step by step using a suitable method. Question number 18. Solve the given pair of linear equation using suitable method. 2x plus y is equal to 8. Equation number 1. 3x minus y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. Here coefficient of y are plus 1 and minus 1. So elimination method is most suitable. Add both equation. 2x plus 3x becomes 5x plus y minus y becomes cancel is equal to 8 plus 7 becomes 15. Now divide both side by 5. This implies x is equal to 3. Substitute value of x in equation number 1. This implies 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 8. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus y is equal to 8. Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Practice these steps carefully to score full marks in Karnataka SSLC 2026. Like, share and subscribe for more model paper solutions.